to you. Look at Leia. She's talking to you. Want to touch her foot? Want to hold her hand? You can hold her hand. Want to hold her hand? You can touch her. That's fine. Yeah, you want to touch her? You want to touch her? See, she's not as tall as you. She's little. Look at. She's a baby. Okay, I'm off to the doors.
That's it. Where's the doors?
Okay, that's enough of that. Let's go. Hey, you.
See, she's tapping.
Yeah, she's talking. Look at the smile. Oh, she's talking to you. That's so cute. Isn't that cute? She's talking to you. What do you say? Yeah.
She's talking to us.
She's talking to you, Grandpa. Can you see her? Can she see you?
She's looking at something. She's looking at the ribs.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Are you ready to get dressed up now? Yay! Up! Up! What do you say, Maria Jose? Oh, you tracking? Oh. Oh.
What?
Thank you. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Every moment, huh? Every moment. Yeah, okay.
You have to change the mind.
Yeah,
What they're
something
doing.
else. Something else. Oh, you like the circle. What, Mommy? You see Mommy? Yeah. You see Mommy? Huh? Huh?
So you're still working from home there, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you doing okay?
I'm tired.
Tired. You don't get a good night's sleep at all. Does he
Oh,
He wakes up better. He snuggles back. It's good, but it's just
Yeah,
that,
good girl. What do you say?
you know, I'm all day with him, and then when he's kind of sleeping, I have to turn on the computer, so it's, you know, kind of on there. Yeah. Life has really changed, right?
Yeah, it's really
Baby TV changed it.
Oh, you're all sitting down. All dry and clean.